ICT growth, education is a major segment, especially in terms of having a transparent and a very agile system to be there. So under these circumstances, a system to be simple, manageable, accountable. So on all of these particular domains, I feel that the education as a part of an ICT has a very big potential to go across. In fact, it has changed a lot. What we used to talk somewhere about 5 years before, that the system was completely theoretical based. But in today's scenario point of view, with ICT being enabled across, the time to communicate between the different institutions, colleges, students, professors, that has marginally gone down to nothing. That is one of the way. The second part what I feel is a lot of transparent system which has taken place with the help of an ICT. Especially quoting an example point of view is that in today's modern world, time happens to be a very important factor. And because of the ICT's perspective in the nature, it has happened that the world has become a very small place. And the head of the institutions can coordinate or can talk with the respective professors, or they can talk to the students, find out what their issues are, and make the systems more simpler. In fact, the examination system, that's what one of the things what I put across is that this could be one of those core sector where examinations can be held online. Not even the objective examinations, objective type questions, but also in terms of the descriptive type of questions also, so that can be digitized, scanned, and ICT can play a very significant role to ensure that this whole system can become very small but in a very effective and transparent way. Solutions for the education world, we offer a variety of solutions. The first of its kind of a solution what we put across is probably the first of its kind in India, is that the safe delivery of the question papers. And although we have done presently for the universities, but the same then could be replicated at the school levels also. We hear about paper getting leaked. We hear about there is a mass copying practice, so on and so forth. But this solution we have given to a couple of universities saying that how the paper leakage could be eradicated. What I mean across is that the solution what we offer is that the question papers are now being sent electronically to the respective colleges via a digitized system. And these question papers received to the respective colleges only 1 hour before the examination. So the question of the paper getting leaked, in the present practice of the theoretical practice, the manual practice, the question papers normally reach 2 or 3 days before to the respective centers, but here only 1 hour before. And with these students now coming say half an hour before the examination starts, and the question paper being sent electronically 1 hour before, the time to take the printout, to distribute, all it takes about 45 to 50 minutes. So there's no question of any particular paper to be leaked. So this is one of the solutions what we have. Second of the solution what we have in this scheme of the things is generating a question paper electronically through the system. So where in this case we have got some subject matter experts. The subject matter experts, what they do across is that they have a question bank, and from the question bank the questions are being selected randomly by the system, and the question paper then has been created and then distributed to the students. So we have a system by which the old mechanism of paper setting, the old mechanism of printing, all gets to be eradicated point of view. So one is a safe delivery of the question papers, second is creation of a question paper randomly through the system, and the third solution what we have got is that evaluation of the system. But the evaluation of the question papers or the system is also done online. This is the third solution what we have got. The fourth solution what we have got across is that integrating all the institutes together in one platform. So tomorrow if there is any integration, or tomorrow if there is any communication to be done, there is not necessary that all the teachers have to come to at one place. Now the solution what we provide is a wide gamut solution that all the professors can be connected online. The meetings can be held online, the conferencing can be done online, the simulations can be done. All syllabus revisions and all, for which big meetings used to be taken place, calling the people at one place, is now completely eradicated. All because of the use of ICT, it is being done. And these are the various business solutions what we have got for the education sector. We are very bullish about it, that the future in plans in India should be very high, because India happens to be only country in the world where the student per se volume is very high, and more or less 70% of the population in India is below the age of 35. And then if you look into the segmentation of the schools and college going students, that itself accounts to nearly about 30 to 35%. So we are very bullish, and India is a growing market, and all said and done, India has understood now that technology plays a very important role in making the things to be simple and stable. So next 5 years down the line, we feel that the segmentation, the penetration for the services what we have got in India should be very, very. It's a very good platform, especially this platform what I came across, what I saw it across is a very nice thing. The only glitch what I find across is that the acceptance, the attitude and the mindset of the people. I think once the attitude and the mindset of the people gets to be changed, then I think these type of platforms will go in a big way. With majority of the teachers above the age of 40 inclining that we don't want to use technology because of fear cycle. But if you take this segment into confidence and tell them that this is for your betterment and not for your deterrent, I feel that ICT platform has got a big way in making a success story for India, and especially for the people, citizens, students of India in a big way. We will become world beaters. Our students can become world beaters. They can become the best of its kind to not only work for the other countries, not a brain drain. In fact, it should be a reverse way now. The people are interested that, okay, why don't we have a future in India itself? So I believe that this platform can bring a lot of talent to be nurtured, and many of them who have gone abroad will come back to India and get the things